The Deputy Majority Leader, Anambra State House of Assembly, Dr. Jude, Akpua, has commended Governor Soludo for his efforts in enhancing road infrastructure across the state. Dr. Akpua gave the commendation while expecting the reconstruction of the Okuzu-Aba-Ukpo-Abagana Road facilitated by the Anambra State government. Correspondent Emmanuel Chibota has details of the story.
Expressing satisfaction at the quality of job done at some sections of the road which have already been asphalted, Dr. Akpua said it is of significant economic importance to the people of Njikoka, while reaffirming his support for the governor.
They have asphalted 710 meters. The thickness of the road is 5 cm. And someone has measured it with 6 inches nail. And it's 5 cm. I'm impressed.
We are very grateful. And we want to use this little opportunity to reassure Mr. Governor that Njikoka is Akpua territory.
Things are moving in the right direction. And the governor, the solution governor, Anambra State as it were, is changing the narrative.
The contractor handling the project, Engineer Benjamin Akabike, assured that the road construction is being executed to the highest standards, assuring to delivering durable and quality work.
If you look at the quality of the road, you will know. Just look at the quality of the asphalt, look at the color. Nobody will tell you that this asphalt is completely waterproofed, and it was appropriately cambered as designed by the ministry.